Let's take a look at how we can use mean and MAD to compare data sets. Imagine Marcus wants to know who gets more sleep on school nights, eighth graders or ninth graders. He surveys 20 students from each grade and finds that eighth graders average 7 hours of sleep with a 1 hour MAD, while ninth graders average 7.2 hours with a 1.1 hour MAD. Does this actually show a big, meaningful difference? To find out, we calculate the MAD difference using a simple two-step formula. First, subtract the means. 7.2 minus 7 equals 0.2. And second, divide that result by the larger MAD value, 0.2 divided by 1.1. This gives us a final MAD difference of approximately 0.18. Here's your statistical cheat code. A MAD difference less than 1 means there is really no meaningful difference. A score between 1 and 2 is a moderate difference, and anything over 2 is significant. Because our score of 0.18 is way less than 1, we can confidently conclude that there is no big difference in sleep times and the two groups are highly similar. To review what we learned, when comparing two groups, don't just look at the averages, subtract the means, divide by the larger MAD, and look for a score of at least 1 to prove a real difference exists. If these videos helped, give a like and subscribe to the channel.